Hey there, welcome to TimeRewards. Here's a quick overview of the basics to help you get started. When you access TimeRewards, you will see a guide button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on this to turn the guide on and off. The guide has helpful video tutorials about various time reward features. One important thing to note is that our help information and videos use default lexicons. You may have customized these to match your company's lingo. So when we say click on Customer tab, it may have been changed to Client, etc. This section on the left is the sidebar menu. As an admin, you can see both My Workspace section and Administration section. By default, employees will only see My Workspace section. The first screen you land on when you access TimeRewards is the Timesheets screen. From this screen, you can customize timesheets to suit your company preference and style. Click on this gear icon to get started with the customization. You can change the timesheet's frequency, set up rules, and change the layout. You are currently viewing the timesheet on week view, but you can also choose the month view, day view, or to-do style. To learn more about the different views, watch the Introduction to Timesheet video, which you can find in the guide. Timesheet in TimeRewards has three basic aspects: customers, tasks, and employees. Let's look at customers first. Click on Customers. To add a new customer or a project for an existing customer, click on Add. To view details about a customer, click on Customer Name. Here, you have some general information about the customer. The Team tab has info about the people working on this project and the tasks that they can work on. The Billing tab has information on how to bill the customer for work done. You can watch the billing rates video tutorial in the guide to learn more. The Transaction tab has all the transactions for the customer. The Invoice Preference tab has client-specific invoice preferences. By default, customers are set up to use company default invoice rules. You can override those rules here, including frequency and invoice format. Once set up, TimeRewards will remember the set preferences and create invoices accordingly. Great. Now that you've got your introduction to customers, let's move on to the next aspect: tasks. Click on Lists on the sidebar menu. Then click on Tasks. Tasks are activities performed by your employees. These tasks can be customer projects or internal company tasks. To add a task, click on Add Task. If you use QuickBooks or Xero, add the tasks to your account package and sync with TimeRewards. Now, let's look at the third aspect of timesheets: employees. Click on Employees tab on the sidebar menu. To add an employee, click on Add. To view details about the employee, click on the employee's name. The General tab has some basic info about the employee. You can grant employee access to TimeRewards by clicking on the Allow button. An email invite then goes out to your employee. The employee can then log in and start entering timesheets. The Project tab has information about the projects assigned to this employee. You can assign a new project and task by clicking on the New Assignment button. The Rates tab has information about the cost rate and how it changes over time. If you bill using employee rates, you can enter that here and enter how rates change over time. The Invoice process will automatically pick up rates from here. The Expense and Timesheets tab lists the expenses and timesheets for this employee. When employees start entering time, as an admin, you can click on the Timesheet tab to see how timesheets flow through the system. By default, you land on a pending download section. Here, you can see the timesheets that are ready to be sent to QuickBooks or Xero, or your payroll provider. When you are ready, select the timesheets you want to send over, and hit Send. The hours will automatically transfer over. Click on With Employee to see the timesheets that the employees have entered but not submitted. You can send a reminder to the employees to submit their timesheets. Likewise, you can click on With Approver to see the timesheets pending with Approver. Here, you can change the approver if required, or just send a reminder to the approver to approve the time. The last thing we're going to look at is invoicing. Click on the Invoice tab. Here, in the Not Invoice section, you can see the list of all approved transactions that are pending invoice. With just a single click, you can create invoices for all your customers. TimeRewards will use the invoice preference setup to each customer and create invoices automatically. So that was a quick overview of the main features of TimeRewards. You can get in-depth information about each feature in the other video tutorials. Check out the Introduction to Timesheets video next to learn more. TimeRewards. Doing time has never been easier.